Okay, so I'm gonna do the chain link for you. And I went ahead and I've already, if you can kind of tell lightly, I've centered it. It did all my math already, and it came out to be 1.75 on all sides. Basically, top to bottom and left to right, 1.75. So the first thing to do on this one is, again, it gives us a bunch of information down this corner. So this is where I'm going to start. I'm going to go 1.5 inches over to find that point right there. And the nice thing about this one is that if you draw light, this one shouldn't be too big of a problem for you. So I'm going to go light just like that. Then I know my spaces, or the thickness of all of these links in the chain, are a 1/2 inch. So I know that this is going to go over a 1/2 inch eventually at some point. So I want to find that 1/2 inch right there. That. And I also know that it's going to go up a 1/2 inch. So I can find that right there. Find that one. Okay. I'll start drawing a little bit darker so you guys can see that. The distance total of this one is 4 inches over here. To there. And then come back a 1/2 inch. Just here. Go up like this. It's nuts. Hopefully it's showing up a little bit better for you. Then down on top, 1/2 inch. Basically, my strategy is to draw this kind of one link at a time. Okay, so there you can see I have the first link already there.
Good morning, students. This announcement is...
All right, now that announcement's over, now I can start back over in here, and I'm going to use this 1 inch, and then if you can see that 2 inches to kind of build my next link in my chain. So I go up 1 inch, and then same kind of thing I did before. I'm going to go 2 inches up, and it's going to be a 1/2 inch in between both of them. So 1 inch, and go up my 1/2. And from there, 2 inches, put down like a 1/2. Now I know I'm skipping over some, but that's okay. I can fill those in a minute. Half inch again. So I went over a 1/2 inch from here to here to get that part of it. And same thing over here. 1/2 inch. Get this part of it. Now, all I really need to do is a couple of things. I need to darken some lines in, erase some lines that I don't need. If you need to, get an erasing shield, because that would be helpful. And then I need to fill in some. So this one's complete, but these over here, and you can do this as you're drawing it. Those need to be filled in. That one's good how it is. This one over here, these need to be filled in, and these need to be erased. Okay, and that's it.